here. Welcome back. Back by popular demand, we have from Dong Fong the Eastwind ZB 28 budget price tractor. Cheapest price tractor we've got in Asia here in Australia currently. It's fitted with the BL28 front end loader, which is self-leveling. It's also factory fitted with a 4-in-1 bucket, has a Euro hitch standard connector, quick release couplers, and some nice little leveling rods to make sure you can keep the bucket level. I'll just lift it up in the air and show you it. They come standard with these safety pins. Just pop them in both sides if you need to get underneath the machine for safety. Easy access bonnet, so you can get underneath. Maintenance free battery, power steering tank up the front. Our machines are also fitted with dual hydraulic pumps, so you have the power steering pump at the front and the main hydraulic pump at the back for smooth, fast hydraulics. Standard paper style air cleaner, radiator, and spin-on filters. So that's your fuel filter and your oil filter. We come around the back here, I'll show you inside. Has a standard single stage clutch, 4-speed transmission with reverse, 2 and 4 wheel drive, 2-speed PTO 730 and 540, and also a high and low transmission. The machine's also factory fitted with a suspension seat for comfort. Over on this side we have the dual hydraulic remotes that you can see the backhoes connected to. And we'll just show you, this is the BK215 backhoe from Town Sunny. So it's a nice little addition to the machine. Has its own hydraulic legs with locking positions on it. Also has a safety lock for the boom and the curved boom design. Nice and smooth and fast operating. A great addition to this little tractor. The front end loader has its dual joysticks, so this single joystick here is for the lifting and tilting of the bucket, and the lower joystick here is for the opening and closing of the 4-in-1. Get in quick while stocks last.